sir. So can you please introduce yourself?
So my name is Shivam, and I've been working in restaurants in research and development for quite some time now. And I've been known with Professor Bagler for I think 7 years now. So that's quite spectacular what he's doing in this field. So very happy to be here to be able to speak with such an esteemed set of people today. So very excited for that.
Uh, since you have been in touch with Ganesh sir, what do you think about his work done under the computational gastronomy field at IIIT Delhi?
I think what he's doing in this field, like I think he was the person who coined this term, right? Computational gastronomy, and he has been working with professors that were guest lecturers in my university in Italy as well, like Davide Kasi. So I think he is known all over the world for the amazing things he's doing in this field and. Coining a term these days when so much is explored in the world already, it's quite spectacular.
And do you think that an AI can replace a chef?
Well, being a chef myself, I think that's a nice question to ask. But yeah, I think to some extent, AI can help you to do some creative stuff, but then a computer would not be able to chop vegetables or know when the sous vide is completely cooked properly or when the mushrooms are done or there are several different factors. And in the job of a chef, cooking is the first part of it, and how it grows on from there. Yeah, it takes a lot of things. I'm sure computers are very qualified for that, and they can process information faster than humans can do. But there are much more. It's a very intuitive job, and it's a job that takes a lot of gut intention as well, because that's where the food goes as well.
So you think it can just assist in helping the chefs?
I think what we do, what Professor Bagler is doing with the Ratatouille app, I think is one of the finest examples of what AI can do with computers, with food. That you can put in just a random set of things that you have in the fridge, and you can have a nutritious meal out of itself. So I think that's where a creativity of a chef and a home cook can be used with the Ratatouille app. But in the end, Ratatouille was also just trying to help the chef sitting on top of his head. So maybe AI can help me with some things which are on top of my head, but in the end, it's gonna be the chefs who are gonna work with this. But definitely a big helping hand with creativity for the people who can use it.